Here I've got LeEco Le S3 and let me show you how to change ringtone on the following device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and select sounds and vibration, and then scroll down a bit. Under ringtones you will notice call ringtone, simply click on it. And now let me pick it for the first SIM card, and let's come along with all of them, starting with bell. Let me pick Rush and then go back, and as you can see it has been changed, so from now on this brand new ringtone is applied to your device. So that's it. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.